Whether you wish to prepare a quick meal or a large menu, with the Vitavit premium pressure cooker from Fissler, any recipe idea can be realized in the twinkling of an eye. The locking indicator makes positioning and closing of the lid very simple. The practical traffic light display makes the cooking process easy as pie. The CookStar all-stove base lies perfectly on the cooktop and guarantees optimal heat absorption, distribution and retention, which helps you save energy with any type of stove or hob, including induction. High-quality stainless steel makes this pressure cooker especially robust and easy to clean. 2 settings for gentle and fast cooking help to preserve crucial vitamins and cook every dish to perfection. You can reduce the pressure easily and safely using the steam release function on the control valve or on the handle. The additional steam cooking setting allows for gentle cooking without pressure. Thanks to its loop handle, the cooker is comfortable and safe to carry. The integrated measuring scale allows you to easily measure liquids. Make every meal the best yet with Fissler's Vitavit Premium Pressure Cooker.